Hello everyone, this is Singh, and here in this video we're going to explain you details of the customer statement, a new capability that is going to be launched soon. And this can only be accessed to the store. So I'm already on the store login page, and we can see I have the user as admin right here, and I'm going to logging in. After there, we go to the main menu here, and we can select from the customer menu customer statement sub menu. After selecting it, we'll be able to see right here three parameters, three fields that are shown here. First is customer search, select gate range, and generate button, which is primarily disabled. This can only be enabled when we search a customer here. So we can clearly see that the customer can be searched through code, name, mobile, or address. And I'm going to demonstrate you for it. Like if you write CUST 1024, that is a customer code for particular customer, so that will be shown here, and that and the one that is having the same series will be shown here. Same is for the name, okay, and that will show the name that consists this, and we can search it by number. Okay, and after that we can press enter, and this will take you back to the selected range field parameter where you can select a date. You can select the date by clicking on the dates or by choosing any shortcut. If you want to select a particular single date, you can click on twice or thrice, depends. You have to reach to the situation where this should be shown as a first or last date both. Okay, going on, if we like fill a customer here, just for the explanation, and if you select it and select the date range, click on generate. There you will be seeing the account summary. Account summary consists of following parameters. Like there's, you can see a matrix: opening balance, invoiced amount, amount received, balance due, and how the balance due has been come here. Like opening balance would be added to the invoiced amount, and invoiced amount, and the total would be subtracted from the amount received. So that how you got the balance due. So that means this much the customer is pending to pay you to the store. Okay, and if this got negative, that would balance due will be converted to advance paid, and opening balance advance paid, and this will be shown as negative, and this screen will changes in it changes in the green. That means the customer has already paid in advance few of the amounts. So coming to the next capabilities here, you can see this displays account summary, various things. Next capability is two things like export PDF, which is primary thing that the customer will do for a customer, a user will do, and this is the checkbox that is include packages. Uh, if you click on include packages, the customer statement will be that will I will explain it later. First, we'll go through this export PDF. If you click on export PDF, a PDF will be generated where the accounts statement will be downloaded right to the store's desktop or laptop, whatever this store user is using, and the first impact will be shown that here the address of the particular store will be shown here, and to which customer it will for the account statement has been generated will be shown here, and the account summary, and for that for what particular date the date ranges the account summary is being generated, account statement is being generated will be shown here, and here is the calculation. The total calculation will be given. First, there will always be opening balance, which is currently zero for this account statement for that particular range, and we have five columns like the transaction description, order amount, payments made, balance. We can see invoice generated. Invoice generated are those things, those transactions in which the customer is ordering a particular, creating an order for from their particular store, and payment received is that particular transaction was for that particular order the customer has paid to the store, and whatever the payment gateways was, like by cash, like, or by any payment gateway like Paytm, HFC, anything else, that will be shown to the these transactions. Like you see here, the 2360 was the invoice was generated, but the customer paid it. Now that has been given to the 2360 payments made, and these two negates themselves. Okay, coming on to the next part of this account statement, you will be able to see that there is a footer that is shown on every page. You can see on every page that is showing like who is the user who generated this this account statement for the customer, and on which date he did that, and what was the time, so that how can one can know who was the user who had provided the statement. Okay, coming on, if you see, we didn't selected the include packages checkbox. What happens if you include if you click on the include packages checkbox? If you export PDF, if there would be any of the like packages transaction that would have been done in that particular select date, like 1st December to 19th December, that would be shown right below where the account statement will be ended. You can see there's the details, and there's a summary of that particular package will be shown here. So every transaction will be shown. Like currently, you can see there's a wallet-based package, and what is the balance for that package has been is there in that particular for that particular customer. It will be also shown here, and what are the transactions that has been made. Same for the garment count packages too, and same for the weight packages. Okay, and this is it for the customer statement. And hope you like it. Thank you.